If you're a real estate investor or you own a home service company and you feel like you're just throwing money at marketing and hoping it sticks, you feel like you're just burning through cash, you don't quite know what lever to pull to get better ROI, you don't have a roadmap, you feel like you could do a better job of converting leads into profit, but you just feel a little bit lost, I built this Marketing Mastermind group for you. Look, this is what we're going to do in this group is help get your marketing dialed in. And so for just $197 a month, you are getting me and my team, and we'll talk some more about that here in a second. And we're going to help get you dialed in on every phase of your marketing, by your lead channel, by every KPI we should be tracking, cost per lead, lead to contract, contract to close, all of those different metrics that you probably aren't tracking right now so we can get your return on ad spend and your ROI dialed in. My name is Caleb Luketic, and I run a real estate investment company and a marketing agency as well. And last year in the real estate investment company, we locked up over 154 houses, and we're about to break that this year in 2026. I have helped grow really big companies like Results Driven, Simple CFO, and multiple other big multiple 7-figure and multiple 8-figure companies through marketing systems and processes. I want to give you the same blueprint and roadmap I have built for those large companies and give it to you. And the best part is it's at a fraction of the cost. Here's what the group's going to look like from Monday through Friday. We're going to meet once a week on Zoom, where I'm going to do a little bit of a teaching, hey, updating, here's what I'm seeing in the market and things like that. And then it's question and answer time. You get to ask whatever questions you want. We're going to break down your marketing KPIs. You're going to get to go through all of those things channel by channel in your business. Plus, you're going to get to learn from other people as well, seeing what they're doing in their areas, what they're working on to improve, what's working for them that you might not even be doing that you can copy and paste into your business. That's the whole point of this group, is to not only learn from me, but learn from each other. And that's where the real growth happens. And so if you're a business owner, a real estate investor, home service company, and you want to get better results on your marketing, I built this group for you. We're going to have weekly Zoom sessions. We're going to have a library of video content recording, like I've already shot, an SEO training, a Facebook ads training, and tons of more stuff that we're going to be adding into this group, plus quarterly master classes where we're going to spend multiple hours going over a topic, SEO, direct mail, ads, whatever that topic is. And by the way, you guys are going to get a vote and say in what you want to learn. Plus, on top of that, a private community where you get to ask any question throughout the week that you want to know. If you want some help, we're going to be able to answer that for you. So if you want your marketing to do better, sign up right now. It's $197 a month. And the best part is there's a guarantee. If you don't love it, I'll give you your money back. No problem. I want to invest in you and in your business to see you absolutely crush it. You can learn more about it all as you read on this page where you're watching this video. I hope to see you there. This is going to change your business. Let's get your marketing dialed in. Click below to join, and I'll see you here soon.